Hello, my name is Kim Knight, Ren Shui and Qi Gong instructor. And in this short video, I'd like to tell you a little bit about Ren Shui and Qi Gong and 3 workshops which I'm going to be teaching shortly, which I'd love to invite you to attend. So what is Ren Shui? Ren Shui, R-E-N-X-U-E, is a system of life cultivation which is based on thousands of years of wisdom passed down for centuries by ancient masters of wisdom from teacher to student. These practices allow you to cultivate your life on all levels. That means mind, body and spirit. The exercises you learn are a practical path of personal development and self-healing, which ultimately lead to self-realization and wisdom. So that is a very brief description of Ren Shui, and obviously there is much more I could add to that. But now let me describe Qi Gong. Qi Gong are the series of exercises and techniques which are used in order to bring about this transformation. There are 9 levels of methods within the Qi Gong system, and each method can be learnt individually and practiced by itself for benefits, and then also be put together and come together to combine and create something which is greater than the sum of the parts. So now let me tell you about the 3 workshops which I'm going to be teaching. The first workshop is called the Heart Consciousness Meditation. This is a 2-hour workshop which includes a group guided meditation plus a group Qi healing plus information on the Ren Shui and Qi Gong system. So why is it so important to develop our heart? Well, in order to develop self-realization and wisdom, we have to work on our heart consciousness. And we have to do what we call develop our 5 Shin. Our 5 Shin are the 5 essential qualities of our heart. So this evening meditation will introduce you to the 5 Shin and take you through a guided meditation to open your heart. And then it will be followed by a group Qi healing, where you'll be guided into a state of deep relaxation, which brings you into what is called a natural state. And our natural state is to be very, very calm in our mind and to be very relaxed in our body. And when we come into this state of unification, which in yoga is what we call union or yoga, when we come into this unified state, then the body can heal by itself. It automatically can self-heal. So this is a guided group Qi healing session where you have the opportunity to bring healing to body, mind and spirit. The second workshop is Yuan Flying Qi Gong. Yuan is an exercise or a method where you gather Qi or energy or prana from the cosmos into your body to supplement and replenish lost energy reserves. We lose energy in many ways, for example through stress, through being busy, through overdoing, through negative emotions, and through putting our senses outwards into the world and disunifying what in Qigong we call our Jing, Qi and Shen, or our body, our Qi and our Shen or our spirit. So what we do in this exercise is that we reunify ourselves and then we connect with the cosmos to gather in pure Qi from the universe into our body to replenish our energy reserves. And apart from increasing our energy and revitalizing our body and mind, we also find that we experience a greater sense of calm. Our mind becomes very still and calm, which brings greater clarity and creativity and mental focus. And also, because it brings us into this unified state, our body is also able to self-heal. The third workshop is D1, which is Earthly Qigong, which is a still standing form. Now, even though it may look like we're not doing very much in this exercise, there's actually a great deal going on, Because what we're doing is we're bringing our attention inside our body, and we're centering ourselves, and we're reunifying our three dantian, or our three energy centers within our body. And this allows you to store your qi inside your body so that it doesn't scatter and get used up so quickly. So what we're doing in D1 is creating a natural state of unification. And as a result of that, you will feel a great sense of deep peace and harmony within. So I hope that this brief description gives you a sense of whether these workshops might be the right thing for you. And what I always recommend to people is that you listen to your heart and your gut, because they will tell you and give you a sense of whether this is the right thing for you. And if it is, I really look forward to seeing you at the workshops.